హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ అనేది ఈ రాబోయే రంజాన్కి అయితే కనుక నేను షేర్ చేశానండి. మీకు సింగిల్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ అండ్ మీరు డెఫినెట్గా మీకు షాప్ ఉండి లేకపోతే హ్యాండ్ స్టాక్ మెయింటైన్ చేసేదైతే కనుక హోల్సేల్లో మీకు ఇంకా తక్కువ రేట్లలోనే ఈ స్టాక్ అంతా కూడా అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటుందండి. మినిమం బిల్ మనకి 5000 రూపీస్ నుంచి ఉంటుంది. ఫుల్ డీటెయిల్స్ చూద్దాం. వచ్చేయండి.
వెల్కమ్ టు Uzi Designers and I hope you all are doing great. So as you all know, currently we are in this holy and blessed month of Ramzan. So we at Uzi Designers thought of showing you and presenting you a special Ramzan collection. So many of you might also be having issues because currently India is going through this corona pandemic. So most of you might not have the feasibility to directly come to our shop. So what we have decided is we at Uzi Designers have taken the initiative and we have started online sales. We'll provide you a WhatsApp details wherein you can directly contact us on WhatsApp, and we also providing you WhatsApp video calling facilities, or instead we can just share you a collection via photos, and whatever designs you like you can just order us, you can just ping us and we'll directly deliver to your doorstep. And while talking about delivery, it is not just restricted to India, we are providing you worldwide delivery. On the other hand, if you are comfortable to directly come to our shop, I'll tell you our shop location. It is on the Hyderabad High Court Road near Madina Circle, exactly beside Shadab Hotel near Bharat Petrol Pump Lane. And we are in this business since almost 28 years. We have almost like 700 plus varieties in our shop, but it is not possible to show you each and every variety in our shop. So what we have done is we have selected designs starting from roughly 350 rupees till 2000 rupees in this current video. But if you can come to our shop, we'll provide you range starting from as low as 200 till even 3000 rupees. And we have both dress materials, that is unstitched suits as well as ready-made suits. So before further wasting any time, we'll begin a video. It is a Georgette crop top, and here you can see you'll get the beads work near the neck area, and the back will be plain. And the lehenga, it is a long length full flare lehenga, and you can see the work. It will consist of thread work with beautiful design. And viewers, it will cost merely 1160 rupees only. Viewers, the next design is a beautiful crop top, and it will consist of Banaras fabric. Here you can see the top. It has beautiful beads work up there, and the back will be plain, and it will consist of long length lehenga, printed lehenga, front and back both the sides. And this one will cost you, and it will also have a Banaras dupatta, and it will merely cost you 1060 rupees only. So viewers, here is the next design. So this is again a very nice crop top. Have a look. It will consist of nice and clean thread work with some diamond work over there, and you will get again long length long flare lehenga with printed on both the sides. And this model will cost you around 1060 rupees. Next is again a beautiful crop top. It will consist of stone work, and here you can have a look. And it will consist of a long length lehenga with some printed work, and back will be plain. It will cost you merely 1340 rupees only. The next crop top is again a very beautiful design. It will consist of beautiful and clean stone work. Here you can have a look. Back side you'll get it plain, and again a printed long flare lehenga. And this crop top model will cost you 1540 rupees only. Up next is a beautiful mirror work crop top. Here you can have a look. Back side you'll get it plain, and lehenga you'll get it in net fabric. And this crop top model will cost you 1540 rupees only. It will also consist of a plain net dupatta. So viewers, as we are now done with our crop top varieties, I'll present you our 1 minute sarees collection. So here we go with the first design. Here you can have a look. This is the top. It is the blouse. It will consist of full neck work. It will consist of diamond work. Back you'll have plain, and when coming to the bottom you'll get attached dupatta. It is in Banarasi silk fabric, and the lehenga will consist of full length lehenga. And this half sari model will cost you only 1100 rupees. Moving ahead, this is another half sari model. This is the top. Here you can have a closer look at the blouse. It will consist of mirror work, and this is the bottom. It will again have a attached dupatta, and the bottom will have a lovely print design. And this half sari model will cost you around 1100 rupees only. Up next is again a very gorgeous, beautiful half sari. So here you can have a closer look at the top. It will consist of both some beads work and mirror works. This is what makes it a very special and very beautiful looking 1 minute sari. And you can have a closer look at the bottom. It will consist of a very beautiful work at the bottom and an attached net dupatta. And this half sari model will cost you 1200 rupees. So viewers, we had a look at our long frock collection, half sari collection. Now we'll go to gowns. So this is the first design in our gown collection. It is a beautiful green special gown. It will consist of stonework and embroidery, and it will be in net fabric. And again inside you'll get this beautiful embroidery work inside. It will have front and back work. You will get a plain net dupatta with it and a bottom, and this beautiful gown will cost you only 1170 rupees. Before moving on to our next design, I would like to tell you that if you are interested in purchasing online, so I would like to tell you that we are primarily wholesalers. So the minimum purchase which you have to make online is 5000 rupees, and if you purchase for amount of 5000, you will get free shipping, doorstep delivery. And if you are interested in purchasing single pieces at retail pieces, then you can contact our mentioned number. So here is up next is our next beautiful blue color gown, and here you can have a look. It will consist of beautiful mirror work, and as you go down you will see some beautiful thread work done here up till the bottom, and back side also you will get some thread work. It will also have a koti with it, that is a jacket, and a beautiful plain net dupatta with thread work done on it. And I'll show you the koti. So this is the jacket which you'll get with this gown, and a net dupatta with thread work and a bottom. And this beautiful blue color gown will cost you only 1525 rupees. Up next is a beautiful orange color gown. Here you can have a look. This has beautiful work done on both the sides, front and back, and we have all the sizes available, that is L, XL, XXL. Viewers, this is the next gown. It is a beautiful green color gown, and you can have a closer look. It has stone work done here on the top side, and as you go down it will consist of net fabric and beautiful and clean, amazing thread work done on it. It will consist of at least we have 4 different colors in this model, and all sizes L, XL, XXL are available in this one. You will get a plain net dupatta with it, a bottom, and this one will cost you 1170 rupees only. So viewers, this is the last design and the last gown of this video. So we have brought you a special Barbie gown. It will consist of beautiful and amazing thread work, and as you go down you will find amazing net fabric, and lining is also available, and inside you can also find cancon net, which is available in all the gowns which I have shown you. And this is also available in all the sizes, that is L, XL, XXL, and 3 to 4 colors in each and every design. So viewers, here you can have a look at this mannequin. It is a straight cut Garara model. Here you can have a closer look. It will consist of full Banarasi work at both front and back side. You will get a plain dupatta, net dupatta with it, and bottom you will have a Garara. And this piece will cost you merely 20 to 40 rupees. Up next is a pink special crop top. It is available in single color. Here you can have a look. Here you will get a lehenga with some work done here, and the top. It will consist of beautiful small beads work done, a plain dupatta with a jacket model, and it will consist of bell sleeves. And this model will cost you 1540 rupees only. So viewers, thank you for tuning in. This was an effort to show you a collection, and again I'll repeat, we have worldwide delivery available, and 5000 is the minimum purchase which you have to make online, and if you are interested in joining our resellers group or wholesale group, the WhatsApp group link are mentioned in the description box. And please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for tuning.
అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీ బిజినెస్ కానీ లేకపోతే షాప్ ప్రమోషన్ కానీ మీరు సేల్ చేసే ఐటమ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో వాటిని కనుక మా ఛానల్లో కనుక ప్రమోట్ చేసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే కనుక 100% ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్లో మా సర్వీస్ మీకు అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటుందండి. ఒకవేళ మీరు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉంటే కనుక మీ షాప్ పైన వీడియో కోసం ఈ కింద ఉన్నటువంటి వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.